in some cases you might have a blank which is having x or y value little bit more than if you want to do outer program. Sometimes if it is having some taper surface, if you want to make a correct if you want to maintain the 90 degree or something like that, so generally for outer program you have to use the particular operation called 2D profile wall without floor. If you take this one to machine the region where it is not having any floor, generally outer program. So I will take this again, same cutter, I will specify this particular wall, I want to machine this particular wall. So here the first and foremost thing is, if you keep 3D IPW, then you have to mention the blank, and in that particular blank we have to mention how much material is excess towards that particular face, towards this particular face. Otherwise you have to use thickness. Let's take, there is a 2 mm material. Okay, let's take 2 mm material, then you have to specify that 2 mm material here. I don't want to give any stocks within a single pass. I want to finish this. So as usual you have to give depth per cut, generate it. Some may ask like can I use this planar mill operation for this? Yes, you can. So it is up to you amongst these operation which operation you have to take, but for outer program we preferably use this particular 2D profile wall without floor. So if you want again additional pass, you have to give it, and here this time I will take 20%. So some may ask, even though I have given one pass, it has not generated because there is only 2 mm material is there. If it is having excess material, like my cutter is 30, right? So if I give 20 thickness, then if I generate, now you may see there is a 2 pass. There should be material so that the software will recognize and it will machine. If I keep 2 mm only, then if I generate, it will generate only 1 pass, because within one shot it can remove 2 mm. So if it is more excess, then you have to give additional pass. Always keep in mind, if there is a lot of maximum material is there, that time you have to go for multiple passes. Like that, if you are having different walls, go on selecting those walls by add new set. If it is consecutive one, then select, no problem. But if it is somewhere else, here I have generated, here if you want to generate, then go for add new set, select it and generate the operation. Once you generate, you have to verify once before generating any G code and M code. You can maximize this by using this particular full screen option. If you do that one, it will be shown on a bigger size. Again, if I want to go back to the particular, the same user interface, if I want to acquire instead of this full screen, I have to click here at the top. There are some dots are there. I need to click that one. So it's okay to me. Then I will say okay. Okay. Now I want to exit my full screen. That moment I have to click here. Then it will get highlighted. Again, if I come to screen, then it will be hidden. I don't want like this. If I want to exit from the full screen, again we have to come here to exit a full screen. Sometimes if you know the command name, if you are unable to find that particular command, so at that instance, if you have to use this search option. If you type anything here, if at all it is not highlighting anywhere, it will get showcased to you. Suppose if I want to patch any surface, if I click patch and if I search, then it will show me the command where exactly it is located. Otherwise, it will show me the pop-up window where it is matching the similar searches. So I am doing this patch searching. Here you may observe there are a lot of commands are there. If you want to use this patch surface, click that. Otherwise it will show you the directory where it is there, where it is present.